good day, Ma'am Marilu. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Marilu Cortez Mendez. I'm 48 years old. I'm married and I have 3 children, and two ages is 30, second is 26, and then youngest is 17. And I am high school graduate. I live in Block 43, Sitio Batasin, Taytay Rizal, Philippines. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright. Thank you. Then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 brothers and two sisters. I am the second in the family.
Okay. Then, how would you describe yourself?
Ma'am, I'm hardworking, honest, cheerful, and eager to learn.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, why do you want to apply abroad?
Because, ma'am, I'm flying abroad because of my family.
Okay, to support them financially?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience in Riyadh in 2001 and then until 2003.
Okay. For 2 years, did you
Yes,
finish
ma'am.
your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi.
Yes, I do cleaning, ma'am. I have elderly. I do cleaning, ma'am. Ironing, taking bath of my elderly patient, and I do medication here, medication, and washing their clothes, cooking, cleaning the house, cleaning around the house.
Okay. So, aside from Saudi, do you have still work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience in Hong Kong, ma'am, in 2 years, 2004 and 2006.
Okay. Did you finish your contract in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am. I do, what's this? I do cleaning the house, ironing, feed the baby, 2 years old, the baby, 2 years old and 9 years old.
Okay.
I'm sending her to school and picking them to school.
Alright. So, aside from Hong Kong and Saudi, do you have work experience here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years?
4 years.
Okay. And your work here in Philippines is?
Caregiver.
Okay. So, please tell me your duties and responsibilities as caregiver here in Philippines and what year?
What year? Yes, ma'am. My work in Philippines is caregiver since 2021 and 2025. My duties is taking care of bedridden, age is 75. I do taking care elderly, giving her food, assisting her bath, give her medicine, and cleaning the house.
Alright. So, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
Yeah, I become busy to work.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even
Yes,
big
ma'am.
dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I will cook, ma'am. I will cook, what's this?
Can you cook Filipino dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
How about Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I will cook.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new dishes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
willing to learn.
Alright. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, madam.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the
No,
past?
ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning
Yes,
or
ma'am.
sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Marilu, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, Madam and Sir. I'm Marilu Cortez Mendez. I'm hardworking, loyal, patient. I'm eager to learn, and I am ex-abroad. I work in Riyadh and Hong Kong as 2 years, and I'm hardworking mom, and patient. And mom, please hire me because I'm willing to extend you. I'm willing to finish contract, and if I finish contract, if you're willing to extend me, and then I'm willing to extend with you. Hope to see you soon. Thank you, mom.